This is 5.4a, factoring polynomials. Number 1. Find the greatest common factor of the terms in the polynomial. What can I pull out of each of these terms? Well, if you have trouble thinking about that, let's go ahead and factor tree the 4. It's 2 times 2. And factor tree the 12. That would be 4 times 3. 4 is 2 times 2. So let's write them out, each term, as its factors. So 4x to the 4th would be 2 times 2 times x times x times x times x plus 12x to the 3rd power is 2 times 2 times 3 times x times x times x. Now, what can I pull out of both of these? I can bring a 2 out. I can bring another 2. I put a times sign here. Can't pull a 3 out because this term doesn't have a 3. But I can pull out 3 x's and multiply them. 1, 2, 3. So what do I have left? 4x to the 3rd, not 3x, but x times x times x is x to the 3rd. Then what do I have left in here? I have that x left, plus, and then what do I have left in here? The 3. One of the common mistakes to watch for is if you mark everything out, you still have to put a 1 here as a term for what's left. Okay, number 2. What can I pull out of each one of those? Well, I can't pull a 4 out because 10 can't divide by 4, so what's the greatest common factor of those? 2. So I can pull a 2 out of everything. What do I have left? 2 times what is 10? 5y squared plus 2y minus 32. Good way to check these is to remultiply and make sure they all multiply back to be the problem that you were given. Later on, you will have to take this and see if it needs to be factored also in a quadratic form, but for this problem it doesn't need to. Alright, number 3. What can I pull out of both of those? So 16 is 8 times 2. So I can pull out an 8, and then I can also pull an x because they both have one x at least. So what do I have left? 2x to the 4th minus 4. No, I pulled out that whole 8, so minus 1. Alright, let's look at 6, just because 6 is a strange example. 36c to the 9th. 36 is 6 times 6. And then I could go 3 times 2 for each of the 6. But look at that 13. 13 is prime. And I can't multiply anything times 13 to get 36. So I can't pull anything out of there. So the greatest common factor on 6 would just be 1.